Good day, boys and girls at home. I'm very excited to be with you again on this segment of the program. I hope you are studying hard in preparation for your final examination that is already knocking at the door. I wish you all the best. The topic for today is vowel sounds and vowel letters. As it is our tradition, we'll go through the assignment questions on consonant sounds to help you assess the correctness or otherwise of your answers. Please listen attentively to the instruction. From the words lettered A to D, choose the word that has the same consonant sound or sounds as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined in the given word. 1. John. Letter J underlined. Sound J. Options: A. Soldier. B. Year. C. Hug. D. Garden. The correct answer is A. Soldier. John. 2. Quality. Sound as represented by letter U underlined. A. Unity. B. No. C. Swing. D. Mellow. The option that is correct is C. Swing. Quality. 3. Knock. Sound N. A-N underlined. A. Night. B. Kill. C. Carry. D. Kick. Option A. Night is the correct answer. Knock, night. 4. Sing. Letter NG underlined. Sound on. A. Examiner. B. Dinner. C. Minor. D. Fling. The answer is D. Fling and swing on. 5. Chief. CH underlined. Sound ch. A. Teach. B. Shame. C. Machine. D. Champagne. A is the correct option. Chief. Teach. 6. Year. Sound E as represented by letter Y. A. Apply. B. Relay. C. Unarmed. D. Unique. The correct option is D. Unique. Year. Now to today's topic: vowel sounds and some of the vowel letters the sounds symbolize. We'll be looking at the first 7 monophthongs, that is, the single or pure vowels. Our learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Recognize the sounds or the phonetic symbols and pronounce each of them correctly. 2. Identify the vowel letters symbolized by the sounds. 3. Pronounce correctly words in which the sounds occur. We will start with vowel number 1 right after the break.